Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset default settings on DJI RS4 Pro. To do this, we'll need to swipe our finger from top of the screen, click on the gear icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, scroll down and locate restore parameters, click on it, and then we can reset either gimbal parameters or a Bluetooth password. So in this case, we're gonna go with the gimbal parameters. Also pick up the gimbal because I'm pretty sure it will start moving. Click on confirm. It didn't move, so that means it should be fine to just place it somewhere. And the same as with Bluetooth password, we can reset it the same way. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.